Hey guys, this is Steven Bonzel. Updating you on my bike. I got a little, just a new seat, but still want to tell you how everything's holding up. No regrets of buying any parts. It's very nice. I like it. Very strong. And no regrets of any parts again. They have been holding up. So I guess we'll start off with the grips. I got the ODI long neck grips, super soft. ODI bar ends. S&M Perfect 10s in translucent green. We got an animal stem, top load. Sabrosa forks. I love these forks. Maxxis Scrifter tire, animal rim. We got an animal javelin hub. Primo spokes in blue. We got green nipples. I love the green nipples. Let's see. I got a Fit Wi-Fi frame. I love this frame. It's 21.25 inch top tube length. Oh, demolition headset. Right there, demolition. Okay. I got this seat. It's really nice. I like it. It's the animal Nigel Sylvester seat. As you can see, it's the griffin right here, and then here's its eye. My friend Kevin pointed that out. It's pivotal. I got an animal seat post. I got the wedge post in gray. I got a cat, and yeah, so we'll go over here. I got a Shadow half-link chain. I love this chain. Very strong. And it's very beefy too, if you look at it. It's very beefy. Yeah. 3-piece animal akimbo cranks in 175mm. Premium pedals. I love these pedals. They're just really good for me because I'm only 150 pounds. I heard that if you ride them and you're a little bit too heavy, they'll snap on you easy. So I guess they're perfect for me. Let's come back here. I got a premium Stinger hub laced to an animal rim. I love it. Green nipples still. I love the green nipples. Blue Primo spokes. Oh, yeah, come over here. We got an SBM bottom bracket. I love the bottom bracket. 25 tooth black label sprocket. Freaking ant on my leg. Let's see, anything else I'm missing out? Nope, not really, and I will show you what the hub sounds like. Here it is, just backpedaling normally. Nice and slow, and then let me put it down. Very satisfied with it, nice and loud. Not really the loudest hub ever, but yep, it's loud. And this has been my bike check. Hope you enjoyed.